back Adams Hill.
Yeah? That's fun.
Next right.
Ah. Oh yeah. Cool. Shoot. Okay. Popo. Hell, man. Well, I'm glad that person didn't hit you. Jeez.
Yeah, nice one.
Just like 5 feet in front of you.
Didn't even signal.
Yeah, no signal, no looking. I'm just gonna go. You know, there's another possibility about your bottle. Maybe you put it down at the cemetery.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Cause I wasn't paying attention, but
I thought I would have noticed it.
yeah,
Way before that if I had left it. Possibly.
it's a possibility. Cause I remember you had a bottle in your hand when I stopped.
I was sitting on my ass.
Yeah, for a little while there. It's like,
More importantly, I lost a good load of electrolytes.
oh, do you need something? I got gummies.
Yeah, I'm right.
Sure, I don't want you to bonk, man. I mean, remember you told me about your bonk?
Yeah, I got some good tailwind endurance in you.
Okay. I'm actually using that right now.
Yeah?
I jumped into the bandwagon of tailwind, naked flavor.
Nice.
There's still some flavors, very light, which I prefer. It's like it was on sale too. I think it had a discount on the fee. I had like a credit or something. I think I got it for 30 bucks.
Yeah, REI sells it too. If you ever need a bag to go grab physically, they stock it.
Oh, cool. If I run out, right? Yeah. How much do they sell for? 40 bucks or something?
Well, there's two sizes.
The big one.
The regular and the big.
Yeah, good. I like big.
The big's like 50 bucks or something.
Oy. I like getting stuff on discount for the same thing, you know. That sounded almost empty. You sure you're all right?
No, there's like half a bottle left.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I mean, I can't tell.
Luckily, I was hitting the other one harder than I was.
Okay.
And I filled half of it at that park.
Oh, good.
Plus, what bonks me is heat. And this is a really nice day.
True. The sun isn't out yet.
Makes a difference.
I mean, pretty good for being an injured man.
Oh, well, don't think of myself as being injured anymore.
Or I should say in recovery. Pushing through
There you go.
the pain.
It doesn't hurt on the bike, it's just when I get off the bike.
Oh.
It's basically the IT band is the thing that I traumatized. It's kind of the outside musculature in your hip.
I'll let you take point. A lot of cars here. Yeah, the IT band, whenever my massage therapist works on that, I'm always in tears.
Yeah. Yeah, after it happened, if I laid on my side with my knees together,
Yeah.
I couldn't raise my leg at all.
Oh no.
It wouldn't even move.
Yeah. That's how messed up it got. Okay.
I'm just traumatized.
Yeah.
The physical therapy guy was not a physical therapy, orthopedic. He was not that impressed. Yeah, you're gonna be fine. Like, it fucking hurts. Like, do this. Like, yeah, don't worry about it.
What a funny guy. All right, here we are. Beautiful.
I went ahead and put a stop sign in the middle of the street.
Yeah.